Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Ubuntu full screen in VirtualBox. So let's get started. First thing first, let's see the errors. Start Ubuntu and try maximize the screen using maximize button. See, it's not working. Let's fix it. Open terminal. Note, before starting, if any error occurs while running command, join the Discord channel, post your error. First run sudo apt update and enter password and press enter. And if you see this error like user is in sudo res file, this incident will be reported fixed. Check the description of this video and solve it using this video, otherwise update it. Note, all the letter will be in small case. Now type as it is showing in this video: sudo space apt space install space hyphen y space build dash essential space linux dash headers dash dollar sign first bracket open space uname space hyphen r first bracket close. After completion of this step, click device and then click on insert get adjacent CD image. Notice on the disk icon came just now. Click on it, right click and open terminal, type /autorun.sh and enter password. Wait for its completion. After click on any button to exit. Now maximize. See, it's working. And also maximize and minimize using the right control plus F. Now if any error occurred while running your command, join the Discord channel, post your error, will help you. If this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, and if you are like this video, please press like button, and if your friends are trying to fix this issue, share this video with them. Thank you for watching.